Whatever we believe about our origins, how we got here, who we are all born with the ability to turn our awareness within. By rising up to our full potential in life, we can walk the path to self-realization. Prana, bundled, vibrating energy, permeates the entire universe, us included. Yoga teaches that if there's anything outside us, it is certainly inside our body as well. To solve the mysteries of our existence, the Yoga Upanishads and Patanjali's Yoga Sutras reveal prana animating a network of 72,000 subtle energy channels called nadis. Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna as the three principal nadis connecting the heart, brain, and navel areas. Ida, positioned on the left side of the spine, corresponds to the left nostril, the feminine cooling energy of the moon. On the right side, Pingala aligns with the right nostril, the masculine, warming energy of the sun. Sushumna, the central channel, runs along the central axis. Akin to the nervous system, nadis form lotus-like clusters of energy called chakras. Literally translated as wheels, each chakra is associated with specific aspects of physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. The 7 main chakras up the spine can either blossom or close, mirroring one state of consciousness. Beginning with the foundational Muladhara, also known as the root chakra, situated at the base of the spine, its association with the earth element and the color red symbolizes courage, stability, and self-care. A balanced Muladhara forms a steadfast foundation for personal growth, paving the way for creative expression, pleasure, and emotional connection. Advancing along the spiritual path, Swadhisthana, or the sacral chakra, positioned below the navel, exudes an orange hue and embodies creativity and desire. Confidence in self-expression and authenticity grows as this energy center harmonizes, allowing individuals to claim their space and embrace their true self. The third chakra, Manipura, resides in the solar plexus. Personal power, energy, and transformation take center stage. Balancing Manipura enables the heart to open, fostering love, compassion, forgiveness, and peace within the heart chakra, known as Anahata. Here, in the realm of green and the element of air, shedding insecurities and resentment unlocks the joys of life, paving the way for a deeper connection to inner wisdom and authentic expression. The journey ascends to the Vishuddha, the throat chakra, where speaking one's truth becomes paramount. Associated with the element of Akasha or ether, lies and delusions dissipate, allowing clarity to prevail. The third eye, Ajna chakra, situated at the forehead center, becomes the seat of decision-making, intuition, and clear perception. Culminating in the 7th chakra, Sahasrara, or the crown chakra, this ethereal connection to the source, spirit, or collective consciousness transcends earthly bounds. Adorned in white or ultraviolet, it represents the embodiment of truth, divine essence, pure consciousness, and the eternal connection to God. When stimulated through the practice of yoga, Kundalini energy, symbolized as a dormant coiled serpent residing at the base of the spine, rises through the central energy channel Sushumna and purifies every chakra in the process. When chakras are in harmony, prana flows freely in our bodies. We experience optimal physical health, emotional balance, and a deep sense of connection with the universe. Beyond the esoteric, chakras play a tangible role in distributing energy to organs, glands, and psychological functions. Pranayama, an ancient breathing practice, regulates the energy flow and balances each chakra. By manipulating and rectifying our breathing patterns, we initiate a process of purification, filtering, and reducing negative thoughts, actions, and bodily toxicity. Discover the power of your chakras. Join PranaFlo's free 21-day program, Chakra Harmony, consisting of guided breathwork pranayama, sound baths, and mantra chanting meditations designed to align your energy and restore balance. There's no catch, no hidden fees, and when you sign up, you'll receive our Chakra Harmony Activity Book, plus a new free guided class delivered each day to your inbox. Go to www.pranaflo.com/chakraharmony and begin your journey today.